morning, guys. Um, for me, I mean, we're really close to that major level. We did put in a reversal already. We do have news coming up later, um, in about 50 minutes. So honestly, I may not even touch it for the first hour or so, or first half an hour, I should say. I might just let it play out. If it does get to a major level and shows me a reversal, then I'll take it, but I won't be taking it too aggressively. Um, I don't think that is quite wise. We do have FOMC later on today as well. Again, I'm not scared of these, but I am waiting for them to show their hands a little bit more before I get involved. If you're trading crude, this is an area I think that if you're short, from a couple days ago, like I was trying to get, you want to be covering around this area. It might get as low as 74, but this is an area you want to start looking to cover. Um, and as a matter of fact, you want to wait for inventories to kind of decide what you want to do with that. Um, Last night's rally was really based on hitting our, if you guys remember yesterday, I did do a short little late day talk. We hit the level at 1725, which is a major level. And we bounced it cleanly. We came back, retested to the tick right there, and off we go. But it was really just based on European debt. So, as far as that, I mean, that's all I'm looking at for today. I'm not getting too involved, especially not on a Wednesday with big numbers coming out on Friday. I'm not going to get married to any kind of trades. Um, six. So on Friday, we have a lot of news that is going to be huge. The unemployment rate, PMI numbers, everything else. So I would say, again, it's going to be the same thing as what I said yesterday. Just take your money often. We're not getting like a million runners here. So just kind of wait it out a little bit. Aside from that, I mean, there's not too much. Do you guys have questions or anything? Or if you guys want to put your input as far as what may or may not happen? Getting a decent drop here.
I think my input is the overnight inventory is kind of long because that rally, like you said. I am a volume profile type person,
Yep.
so perceived value is like around. Let me see here. 3847.
347.
Yeah, that's the value area for the most traded volume yesterday.
Okay. So
If
that's
we
a
correct,
repop.
yeah. So if
Okay.
we correct, if the overnight inventory correct, that they close their longs, because if you're looking at CBD, it's like been at 10,000 since 2 o'clock in the morning. Like it's just been hovering. It's on top of 10,000 now, but um, if we correct, I think we will head down that way.
Okay. 47. That's interesting. Okay. So do you think You think we're gonna get a bounce from there, or is it just
I don't think we'll get a bounce. You know, I don't trade just because of a level. I look for, absorption around levels, like your levels and stuff.
yeah,
You know, to see for a potential, entry. That's all.
that's okay. But, I mean, that's not a bad idea. For me, 47, I don't really have I don't have a level there, but it's interesting. I mean, it's a good collaboration of thinking. I I will keep that in mind because if I were to take a short later on in the day, I'll see how it reacts near that 47 level. Um, Generally speaking, 47 for me is fairly close to Asia lows. So that will be interesting to see how it reacts in that level. I'll mark it though. Is it 47 flat?
Yeah. Um, Personally, I think we're gonna correct because
Okay.
we're kind of long right now for the overnight session. So
Yep. All right. Honestly, I think it's just gonna be a back and forth trade. Uh,
oh, for sure today, yeah, I think so.
yeah,
Until FOMC.
yeah. Let's see. Let me see what the year. I don't
There's
subscribe to it. It's a little bit
there's
delayed.
news at 10.
Yep. I'm not
That's
probably
gonna
not
be
be trading for the next, until that comes out, unless it hits a level with a strong conviction.
Ooh.
What do you see, Specs?
Nothing, just news at 10. I mean, we hit a level in the overnight and we reversed. I wouldn't mind a short at 70.25, but it's, you know, it have to be after the open and after the news.
I'll be right back. Let me take a quick break before we open. And even then, it's not going to be that crazy. I'll be right back. Both levels matter. It just depends on what type of level and the texture of the day.
Dude, it's not just both levels that matters. All level matters, okay? Even the ones from 6 weeks ago.
6 weeks daily high.
Yep. I'm talking about you. 3792. That level held.
3792.
That was a level from a long time ago. Don't even look at it. 3800 is more relevant. I'm just making a joke. Hey, looks like we're going up. If that catalyst comes out bullish, it could be a good pullback trade.
I wonder where Risky's been. He's not been in here. He must be making too much money.
Oh, where's Whiskey?
Yeah, he hasn't been here.
Dude, he's probably doing he's probably selling consultations to hedge funds that trade, not as big as him, but they trade like 100 contracts.
Yeah, I would if I was boasting those numbers. Like, fuck yeah.
I wish I could trade 140 lot, full clip, no partials.
That's not his full clip.
What? He said it was 140 lots, did he not? What is it now? 300? Seems
No,
to double every week.
I thought he was trading like 400 something or 500 some shit.
Dang. How does he find the liquidity? That footprint chart. Okay, let's see.
I don't know. Pros are pros, man.
Mm-hmm. Oh, looks like we're going down.
Weapons. Again, I'm not touching this just yet. Microsoft's taking a shit. Russell's extremely strong right now. Russell is just going through the moon. Russell is significantly weaker despite. Oh wow, what a shove downwards for ES. Russell's significantly weaker in comparison. But could be a good short. We're 1 point away from the major level, so that's a very interesting thing. I did not notice it, nor did I get into it. But we should be able to come back maybe to 66.25. We did have a fake high when we did come back up to 70. So that was a good short opportunity right there that I missed. But we should be able to get back up to 66. This is going to reject it the low. I think that's basically it. This could and probably spells trouble for the euro. You may not see more upside for that. John, you might be right. That 47 level. Harvey's missing work, huh? Oh, he's on the other one. To me, this is a fairly neutral spot, so I'm not taking too much into this. I'm gonna let it just kind of sort. I thought the neutral spot is gonna be a little bit lower, maybe at 55. But as we talked about, this should be getting up to like 66 levels, 66, 75 or something. That can give you an opportunity for an additional short, maybe gain 10 points off of it. 66.25, there it is. Just wait for the price action to tell you if we're going lower or not. As of now, I'm not seeing too much. Yep, not seeing action to the downside just yet. Not yet, right now. We are paying attention to like DuPont, Microsoft and stuff like that, but as of now, nothing because still waiting for numbers. Numbers as in economic numbers, not numbers. All right, that's gonna be, if we can break a higher high, that's gonna be a fake high. If we can break that higher high. We are still watching Apple as well, Peter. There goes our major level number. That is a fake high, but again, we're just waiting for a price to kind of show us that this, because it can possibly catch up as well. So we gotta kind of wait. But we don't just take it on the fly, right? So there it is. We're bouncing a lot of things, Caterpillar and Deer. They're trying to buy up a lot of that. So I might actually give up on the short side just right now. I did put in an order in case that we did reverse, but I'm actually taking it off now. You might get a scalp to the downside, but as of now, I'm just kind of laying off. At least it's not formed yet. So there it goes. That was a real high. Our current high is the real high. We did put in a reversal. I'm not sure if I want to take it just yet. Or if I even want to take it, period. It's not really showing us that we should be going down. If anything, that was a good retest of our major level. And this could just go to, this could go much higher. So we'll just keep an eye on that. Nothing currently telling me otherwise. Hmm. There we go. See how far we get with this. For numbers. Let's see what it does. Still don't know. But we might have additional upside. I just took a small scalp, nothing insane. Pretty big gap in going Russell. That is, it's a real high. I'm not too interested in fading this. Think you could potentially wait for a pullback to get long. But this is a fuck around area. I'm not too interested in playing in this area. Yeah, Peter, that's one of the reasons why I don't really like buying in those areas. Just because it's hard to know where you're wrong. So when it stops you out to a tick, I don't necessarily think that you were wrong, right? All right, here's a good pullback right now. If you are looking for a long, there it is. I think it's yet to return to the upside. Just wait. If you are looking for a long, and you're short, this is not a good area to get short either. We're just kind of in the middle. My Sierra's fucking on the fritz. It's so shitty. Mm. NQ is still the weaker one of the two, by quite a bit actually. ES is unable to, ES is holding still above daily plus 2, so. Really good pullback by ES, but you know, it's in the middle of nowhere. I'm not trying to get, if you didn't get short from the top or close to, you're not getting involved in this, or I'm not getting involved in this, especially now with numbers coming out.
God damn, I took a poor trade location that took fucking. I
You
was
made money?
short too early. God damn it. I just got out for like a small profit. But damn, if I would have waited,
How
damn,
much where'd you take your short at?
I'm not gonna say.
Just say it. The only short I saw that you could have taken, I took one short, which was at 37.25 or so. Or sorry, 72.25. And it was just a small little scalp. Another re-entry would have been 73.75. So if you would have taken that scalp, that would have been good.
Yeah, this is a weird day to say the least. Just the price action. I mean, I'm not fucking around with this live because I know I'll get fucked, but I've been demo trading and all my demo trades have been wrong. So yeah,
There's a
better than
thing there's a
real
thing
money.
about demo trading though, right? It's scary in a sense where um you can easily overtrade on demo.
Oh yeah, absolutely. But I'm not taking it seriously. You know how you have an impulse to trade sometimes?
Yeah.
I just do that all on demo. And then when I see like a perfect setup, I'll switch to live and be like, okay, this I'm willing to take a loss on for real. I
I
don't know if that's
understand.
good or bad, but
I
that's how I
personally,
do it.
a lot of people say that's a good thing, and it I guess is good in the sense where you have the foresight to kind of do that or the discipline. But just
Mhm.
remember that will create bad habits.
It will.
Yeah, absolutely. Because you're still getting your fix right somewhere else. You're not killing your. I think killing is the wrong word, but you're not um you're not curing or you're not fixing, or dealing with your issues of over trading. You're just using a different method. It doesn't make it better if you're, instead of doing meth, you're doing cocaine. You
It's a
know,
little better.
it's a little bit better, but also you need to deal with your drug problem, right?
Financially, yeah, maybe you're
Yeah,
right. Maybe.
but I mean, in real, you know, if you're expecting to become a pro, you know, or you want to act like a pro, you know, you go on sim, but you don't trade differently. You shouldn't trade differently, at least.
Well, it's also like some trades you size up and some you don't, right? And you know which ones to size up based on your intuition.
True, but you should still be trading the same.
I think like less size would be like demo and more size would be like live +1 or whatever. Oh,
Um, you can change it based on real money. You should still be, you know, I don't know. That's I've done it before, and I thought it was perfect. What happened, you know, during my period.
mhm.
Uh,
Okay.
you know,
I'll try not to do dumb trades then.
yeah, I mean, you can do demo. I've done like if I'm having a shit whatever, I'll do demo. But you have to still take the same correct trades.
Mm.
I don't think this is gonna go back up just yet. I think we might have a little bit more downside to this. That is correct, Imperator. You can see how it rotates it very well. Here goes the downside, I think. I think we're gonna print some, at the very least, 55. I think. I think for the most part, we're just dicking around this whole entire day. Still, I think the biggest number is still unemployment, so let's just wait. I'm not too eager to jump into anything right now. I guess there wasn't gonna be more downside.
We have a bottom gap too.
Oh, I don't know what happened. Oh, there it is. Okay. I got short at 67, expecting for lower. This is, I don't know. We'll see. Sorry, John, what did you say?
We have a bottom gap too.
In ES?
Yeah, should.
Whenever you're free, can you show it? Or what you mean by it?
We gapped up. That's all. That's what I meant.
Um, but we're still within yesterday's range. At least, you know, that's the way I look at it. But yeah, I see what you mean though. Uh, I'm short at 67, probably aiming for 55. That's for the most part my part of, the middle. Um, but I'll monitor it. I might take it to where John said at 47 to see if we can. I'll just watch the price action in the area. But I've already taken off risk, so I'm not hurting or anything like that. It looks like we're pretty extended and it wants to go up, but it's probably just waiting for the numbers, actually. Sorry. Okay. It is waiting for the numbers. No wonder it's just gonna, let's see, 6 minutes. Okay. Yep, it's just waiting for the numbers. I'm gonna take off my trade then. Small profit. Actually, I already reduced risk, so I'll just leave it. First big number of the year, expect some kind of overreach. Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. I mean, for sure they're gonna stop me out.
News in 6 minutes.
You know, right? I'm it's it's not much of a gain. What is it? 3 points? No, 1.5 points of gain. So not not much. Peter, if it wasn't for for the news coming out, I probably would have just held on to it, and especially since I took off risk. But with news coming out, I have a feeling that they will try to fuck around, um, especially in this area. So I don't want to really be too ambitious.
I think these are just like
Say that
good
again.
FOM. I think FOMC is really hard to trade the morning, like hard to get a good RR in my opinion.
Yeah,
It's just like honestly, if I missed every FOMC day, just the morning, like after the news it's better, it wouldn't make a huge difference. You got to work harder, take on more risk, and make less money.
if you're on the right side, you're gonna make a shit ton of money.
That's if it's after the release.
Yeah.
Before is what I'm saying, because the morning is slow.
You guys, is Specs breaking up or is it me?
I think
Specs is breaking out.
Okay, cool. Sorry, Specs. I don't mean to be happy that you're having shit anymore, but I'm glad it's not me. All right, 4 minutes, guys. Don't get funky with it yet. You're really hammering the oil. Or actually, 2.5. Just wait, guys. If it's my guess, the price action is pretty shitty, but it's veering to the upside a little bit. We could have a violet way down. But again, that's just a random guess. A minute and 24 seconds. $50. 30-something seconds. Let me just check really quick what the semis are doing. What Apple's doing. Apple's slightly up, but not a big deal. Nothing important. Same as Tesla. Amazon is quite interesting. It's kind of that's what see what Caterpillar's doing. It's a lot of buying coming in, which is expected. Caterpillar's up for the day. Cool. So let's see what they do here. There it goes. See. Sweet. It's like to downside. Should be getting some kind of pullback.
That's a weak sell off, huh?
Yeah.
Or lack thereof.
I think that's bullish.
Well, let's just
That's
wait.
what?
The
Yeah,
news might be
and-
bullish.
I anticipate for 67 comeback, so I'm actually quite interested in this area. All right, we're at a major level now, so let's see the price action.
Shit.
I don't know. I interpreted it as bullish, so I took a long off of that.
That's fine.
Was it good or bad news? You know?
Unemployment is up, so that's good news.
Okay. That is good news.
That's a real high.
That's an exhaustion low high right there. I'm gonna see if that holds right at 380. Yeah. Tried to go short just now, couldn't get in.
Uh, let's see what it does. I'm still trying to calculate how far we can possibly go down. I think at this point, we have the opportunity to get down to, let's see. I'm currently short as a shitty area at 72.25, but trying to see where we can get down to. I think we can get down to 44s, 44.25, but
It's a good short. I'm not. That's a really good one.
well, no, that was late for me. I think
Oh my
44s.
god,
I think 44 is a good area. I'm
man!
going
I missed.
to take one off here if I can. I don't like that craziest. Oh, all right, took one off. Jesus Christ, dude, that was insane. Cat's just kind of really holding steady right now. I think if you have the balls to, you want to hold to about 17 again, but based on daily swings, we're looking at 44.25. But I think 44.25 is a safe number. I'll probably take an additional one off of there. Yeah, it's 44 even. Sorry, not 25. 44 even is where I expect a decent bounce in that area, but we'll see what
I
happens.
think we going down.
Yeah, but I think the ultimate area is still going to be 17. But we'll see. There goes 44 flat. 44.
Jeez, I missed
There
that.
it is. Let's see if we get a
Should have just
decent
marketed it
bounce.
in.
44. Let's see if we get a decent bounce, or this is going to come further lower. I totally missed it on my other account. That sucks. Oh well. Sierra's been really shitty for me. It was really good bounce off that 44 level. I mean, to the tick, it seems like we got almost. Well, 43.75. So that was a good cover. Let's see what would happen. I think we still have more downside. But this is a decent consolidation off that 44 level. I hope you guys covered there if you did go short. Otherwise, you gave back $5 of gain. It would have been insane trade. It semi kind of worked out how we talked about it pre-market about testing certain levels and not really getting too overzealous prior to the numbers. I was looking at 71 for a short, so when I did get short at 72.25, really just waited for the reversal to show itself in ES, and then took that. So again, the ultimate number we're looking for is at 17. I think that let me see. No read yet as far as what the market's going to do. Hey, John, it's kind of rotating your 47, right?
I think he's gonna go down more because
Yeah, but
the
I
delta.
mean,
Yeah,
it pretty much rotated that area, which is very close to that 44.25 level, 44 level I was talking about. So cool. Glad it both worked out for us.
I couldn't get short. It moved too quick.
Oh, sorry then.
I was short initially, but
Yeah. That was so scary. That was crazy though. Like I didn't even take profits correctly because it was moving so fast. Like I have my bracket orders in to mitigate risk, and it like as soon as I got in, it mitigated it really quick where it wasn't really a correct mitigation. So I it was a sloppy trade on my end. I mean, still profitable, but sloppy trade. I went in for 8 lots, 8, not 800. But yeah, that was like, let me see. Let me see how many points per contract that was. I wish Tradeovate was better with their AI.
Hey Zero, I'm gonna call it. Good luck. You do good?
I am up. I wouldn't say good because I mismanaged the trade.
Oh well, but good call. Good call. I was not expecting it to pull up that much, but whatever.
Yeah,
Didn't lose any money today. Didn't really find any perfect trades. Tomorrow should be good though, so
I
I'm
think
looking forward
Friday
to
will
that.
be the big thing.
You don't think the day after FOMC tomorrow?
I think Friday is the bigger number.
What number? NFP?
And unemployment.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. We'll see. We'll see. All right. See you, man.
Later.
See you, everyone. Hope you guys all did good.
later specs.
Yeah, I only made slightly over, like a little bit under 10 points per contract on that. Even though it dropped 30 points because I was just taking, I couldn't get my stupid bracket orders fixed in time. And had I, it would have been at least 15 points. But anyways, not complaining, just saying. Crude is getting hammered still. Not surprised. We have more numbers later, so I'm not really getting too funky with this. We did have a imbalance to no, we don't. I'm not messing around in this area. I don't think this area is a good area to mess around with. I think John called it a good call, 47 being a VPOP or point of control. This might just rotate. So I'm not gonna sit here and play for 5, 7 points. Yeah. I think within this area we could definitely still rotate lower. So I'll leave it. Someone's showing me something and I'm trying to interpret what she's like this guru online and she's trying to like she's just sending me shit for free. She charges people. I don't know what the fuck wants me to do with this. But she's trying to tell me how effective her shit is. I don't fucking know. I'm just trying to see what the hell she's saying. I don't even the prices don't even align to mine. 5 day, 5 minute. Okay, but why are the prices not correct? Low is 36.42. Okay. All right. So she does this. Why? uh, what? She does the fib, and she says 38.13. Fuck, I have no idea. I don't even know what the fuck she's doing. If you guys know why she's doing it, fuck, whatever. I don't got time for this bullshit. Guys, I don't really have too much to add into it. So if you have questions right now, like feel free to just ask it. If not, I would highly suggest you to join Fat Cat's thing, his stream, to learn. No questions? Cool, cool. See you guys over at Fat Cat stream. Yep.
You about to head over there?
Yeah, sorry guys. I mean, today wasn't as clean cut as it was yesterday. Again, I think the major thing is going to be Friday. We really did have an excellent move today. I think this can get up to possibly 56s. You know, yeah, 50. You guys can mark this down. Probably 55, 75 level. I'll mark it as well. I think that is a level that if we put in a reversal there, we could possibly add to our shorts. Just watch the flow, watch everything. So just watch that at 55, 75 level. Thanks guys for joining. I'll see you guys over there though. But you guys should go over the Fat Cats thing.